All right, guys, we have Elvis Costello today. Couldn't call it unexpected. It's the 42nd hired request on the 2018 list. Let's take a listen. I saw a girl, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here on YouTube and Facebook. The rest of the lessons for this are already on my website, webpianoteacher.com. We do the whole song, webpianoteacher.com. I have over 5,000 lessons that I've done over the past 12 years now. Even have lessons for complete beginners if you need beginner lessons. So let's go ahead and get started here with this intro. I have layered here on my cheap Casio keyboard, which I love, grand piano 1 and harpsichord layered. So that kind of gives me that circusy sound. And I'm going to just go to piano right now just so we can hear clearly. And for those of you who just have a regular piano, that'll help you out. But we'll start with, the first measure there. We're in 3-1-2. 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to start with an A on the left hand. Even though I don't hear the piano playing this in the left hand, I put that in there because we need some sort of accompaniment. When you have a band with you and you're on keys, you don't have to play as much. In fact, it's encouraged not to play so much when everyone is playing so you don't get in everyone's way. But if we're solo piano, we got to do something on that left hand, so I added kind of a boom chuck accompaniment. So A first, and then E, A, C sharp with 5, 2, 1, 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 1. Then I'm going to go to E. Let's go ahead and look at the next measure, E chord. The first measure was an A chord. So E on the 5th finger, and then E, G sharp, B for 2 more counts. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Don't drown it with pedal, that'll ruin it. The right hand, let's have C sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. Now you notice probably that I played F sharp, E there. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't write it in because I don't hear the piano playing that, but I do hear the banjo play that. But it kind of melds so well with the piano that I recommend maybe playing that F sharp, E. I didn't write it at first, but I'm having a change of heart because the banjo does it, and it really just fits the melody. So I'm going to go bum, 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 G sharp, F sharp, E. So if you want to pencil that in on your score, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and play it so the banjo part's in there, at least on that section. So the first 2 measures, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Notice I didn't drown it in pedal. It's a little pedal on each beat, and then change it. The next measure, very similar, just the melody of the rhythm of the right hand is a little different. But you'll notice the left hand's the same, the right hand's the same as far as the notes. C sharp, E, F sharp. You just go 1, 2, and 3. They line up differently. 1, 2, and 3. The next measure, 1, 2, 3. We have G sharp in the right, left hand has C sharp. Then I'll come up for E, G sharp, and C sharp. 1, 2. You can play it 1 time or play it 2 times. I just wrote the chord there, but go ahead and play it another time. 1, 2, 3. So from the very beginning, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now let's put the F sharp E where the banjo does. All right, next measure is back to an A chord. C sharp, B, A. Left hand will do A, and then E, A, C sharp. So 1, 2, 3. Now la 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 la. So C sharp, B, A, G natural. Left hand I did octaves here. If that's too hard for you, you can just do single notes. I like it low though. Where am I getting that left hand? I hear the bass do that. Some of the instruments that are lower are doing that. So I'm going to put it in the piano part. A, B, C natural, C sharp. Even though the piano is probably not doing it on the recording, I think it needs to be in there for piano solo. So right hand, next measure is F sharp. Left hand is a D chord, D, then F sharp, A, D 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then bum, bum, to an octave A. And again, some things that I'm writing in here, the piano is not playing necessarily, but the other instruments are. So just to fill the arrangement out, we're adding them A, low A, and then D, F sharp, A 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, okay. And then I saw a girl. But let's go the whole intro now from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. Da, 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 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right, so let's finish it on the website, webpianoteacher.com. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1, and we'll talk to you later.